When editing a document, we sometimes insert a lot of pictures. We usually back up images in case they get lost. Then, do you know how to download a package of images at a time? For example, in this document, many pictures are inserted into the document, and it's a waste of time to save them one by one. Here, I'm going to introduce a very simple skill. Click the menu button in the upper left corner, and click the Save As button to pop up the dialog box. In File Type, select Web Page File, .html or .htm to save the document as a web file. Click the Save button to create a folder. This folder contains all the images in the document in the order they were inserted into the document. At the same time, a web page file of this document will be generated. What a simple and practical skill! Did you get it?